Ever get that feeling of accomplishment after finally cleaning out your wallet? You pull out a wad of receipts, forgotten store loyalty cards, and a check. Maybe it's a grandma birthday gift or a yard sale score, but now what? Sure, you could head to the bank. But let's be honest, who even remembers their bank hours anymore? That's where Venmo swoops in, promising a mobile solution for all your financial needs. But can this digital whiz handle something as old school as a paper check? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the world of Venmo check deposits, uncovering exactly how long that precious paper takes to turn into spendable cash. The age-old check cashing conundrum. Let's face it, checks feel like relics of a bygone era. But they're still surprisingly common, especially when dealing with older generations or certain businesses. The problem? Traditional check cashing can be a pain. Banks have limited hours, finding a check cashing service can be a hassle, and let's not forget those pesky fees. Venmo, with its sleek app and promise of instant transfers, seems like a modern answer to this ancient problem. So, can you simply snap a picture of your check and voila, instant cash? Well, not quite. Venmo's check cashing charade, 2 speeds to consider. Venmo actually offers 2 options for depositing checks, the get it fast and the get it free approach. Here's the breakdown. In minutes, with a fee feeling impatient? Venmo offers an expedited option where you can get your check deposited within minutes, literally, they say minutes. However, this convenience comes at a cost. Venmo charges a fee for this service, typically a percentage of the check amount. In 10 days, free patience is a virtue, and if you're not in a rush, Venmo offers a free check deposit option. The catch? You'll have to wait a whole 10 days for the funds to appear in your account. That's right, 10 whole days. The intricacies of instant-ish deposits. So, how exactly does that in minutes option work? Here's the gist. Snap happy, open the Venmo app, navigate to the check deposit section, and snap a clear picture of both the front and back of your check. Approval time, Venmo then puts your check through an approval process. This usually takes just a few seconds, but in some cases, it can stretch to 15 minutes or even an hour and a half. They're basically checking the check's legitimacy to avoid any funny business. Funds in, almost, real time. If your check gets the green light, the money will be deposited into your Venmo account within minutes, just as advertised. The free option, a waiting game. The free 10-day option is pretty straightforward. You follow the same steps of snapping pictures, but instead of instant gratification, you enter a waiting period. During this time, Venmo holds onto the check amount and verifies its validity. Once everything checks out, pun intended, the funds are deposited into your account after 10 business days. Important considerations: not all checks are created equal. Before you go wild depositing every check you find, remember, Venmo has limitations. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Check amount limits. There are maximum limits on how much you can deposit through Venmo checks. These limits can vary depending on your account history and Venmo's verification process. Not all checks accepted. Venmo has the right to reject certain checks, especially those with suspicious activity or if they can't verify the source. Weekends and holidays slow things down. Remember, those 10 days for the free option are business days. So, if you deposit a check on a Friday, you might not see the funds until the following Wednesday. The verdict: Venmo speedy for a fee, slow and steady for free. So, how long does Venmo take to deposit a check? It depends on your priorities. Need the cash ASAP? Be prepared to pay a fee for the expedited option. Don't mind waiting? The free 10-day route might be your best bet. Ultimately, Venmo offers a convenient way to deposit checks, but it's not without its limitations. Weigh the speed factor against the fees and choose the option that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.